Religious festivals of India. Let's learn the names of the religious festivals that are celebrated by the people of different religion. Diwali, the festival of lights, celebrating the victory of light over darkness. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrates the birth of Lord Ganesha. Navratri, the 9-night festival dedicated to Goddess Durga. Dussehra celebrates the victory of good over evil. Onam, harvest festival of Kerala, celebrating King Mahabali's return. Holi, the festival of colors, celebrating joy and the arrival of spring. Eid al-Fitr, festival making the end of Ramadan fasting. Guru Nanak Jayanti celebrates the birth of Guru Nanak, founder of Sikhism. Makar Sankranti, harvest festival marking the sun's transition into Capricorn. Buddha Purnima celebrates the birth of Lord Buddha. Mahavir Jayanti celebrates the birth of Lord Mahavir, founder of Jainism. Baisakhi, harvest festival and Sikh New Year celebration. Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Twinkles. Like, share, and subscribe.